Hello, students. Hope you may be fine. Today we are going to take the subtopic in this video, subtopic number 7.07 on page number 95 on your PDF notes. That is Hertz observation. Hertz ने क्या observation किया है वो हम पढ़ेंगे. The phenomenon of photoelectric emission or photoelectric effect was discovered by Heinrich Hertz in 1887 when he was working with his electromagnetic wave experiment. Hertz, while studying experimentally the production of electromagnetic waves by means of spark discharge, found that high voltage spark across the detector loop were enhanced when the emitter plate was illuminated by electromagnetic light from an arc lamp. So, Hertz, while studying the experiment, this is an experiment setup. Hertz, while studying experimentally the production of electromagnetic waves by means of spark discharge, found that high voltage spark across the detector loop were enhanced when the emitter plate was illuminated by ultraviolet light from an arc lamp. It was accounted as follows. जैसे let us take an evaporated glass tube. यहाँ एक्सपेरिमेंट सेटअप में एक ग्लास ट्यूब दिखाया गया है. There is a glass tube, evaporated glass tube. There are two electrodes. One is cathode and another is anode. A battery and a milliammeter are connected in series with the cathode and anode. When ultraviolet radiations from an arc lamp क्या होता है? When ultraviolet radiations from an arc lamp fall on this cathode, then spark is produced at the anode A. So arc lamp क्या होता है? जब ultraviolet radiations from an arc lamp are allowed to fall on the cathode. Arc lamp क्या होता है? Arc lamp, it is a lamp in which brilliant light is produced by maintaining an arc between the two electrodes. So arc lamp is a lamp in which brilliant light is produced by maintaining an arc between the two electrodes used as spotlight, searchlight, etc. तो यहाँ पर जहाँ पर एवापोरेटेड ट्यूब दिखाया गया है, जब इसमें एक कैथोड है, दो इलेक्ट्रोड्स इसमें है, कैथोड एंड एनोड ए. The battery and the milliammeter are connected in series with cathode and anode. When ultraviolet rays from an arc lamp fall on the cathode, then spark is produced at the anode. So Hertz could not explain his observation, but later on other scientists explained this observation. According to other scientists, when ultraviolet radiations fall on the cathode, then photoelectrons are emitted. जब अल्ट्रावायलेट रेज फॉल कैथोड पर पड़ती है तो उससे क्या होता है? सम इलेक्ट्रॉन नियर द सरफेस एब्जॉर्ब एनफ एनर्जी फ्रॉम द इंसिडेंट रेडिएशन. So when suitable radiation fall on the metal surface, some electrons near the surface absorb enough energy from the incident radiation. Due to it, they are able to overcome the attraction of the positive ions in the material of the metal surface, and escape to the surrounding surface. So, according to other scientists, when ultraviolet radiations fall on the cathode, the photoelectrons are emitted. These emitted electrons fall on the anode A. Hence, a spark is produced at the anode A. So this was Hertz observation. एक छोटा सा ये सब टॉपिक है. और बाद में क्योंकि हर्ट्ज ने पूरा ये हर्ट्ज ने बोला कि जब अल्ट्रावायलेट रेडिएशन कैथोड पर पड़ती है तो एक स्पार्क एनोड पर पड़ती है, तो उस ऑब्जर्वेशन को वो एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर पाया. लेकिन फिर दूसरे साइंटिस्टों ने इस ऑब्जर्वेशन को एक्सप्लेन किया कि जब ये स्पार्क जो एनोड पर प्रोड्यूस होता है वो होता है ड्यू टू द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स दैट जब रेडिएशन फॉल ऑन द कैथोड और द मेटल सरफेस, तो जो फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स यहाँ इसमें जो मेटल में जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं, दे गेन एनर्जी एंड दे रीच टू द सरफेस एंड कम आउट. और फोटो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर इमिटेड एंड दे रीच टू द एनोड ए, फॉल ऑन द मेटल ए और एनोड ए, एंड ए स्पार्क इज प्रोड्यूस हियर. सो दिस वाज Hertz observation. So now we will come to page number 95. So we will continue this Leonard observation. So Leonard observation, we will continue this in the next video.